Hey guys, welcome back to Stonkanacci, where we talk about Tesla stock, everything to do with it, and the news, the trends, and basically what the stock's going to do for the next day or two. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below if you're cool, if you're ready for the stock split. And here we go. This guy, he's inversing Jim Cramer, and he started with 50 grand, and now he's up to 101,000. Not sure when he started, but I do want to look into this because this is really cool. Like, you always want to sell the news and buy the dip. That's your tip of the day. And then we got not financial advice though. And then 6K to 700K in 2.5 years, 11,000% gain. That's what we dream about, boys. Be millionaires then. And girls. It's been a great ride. Regards. Looks like he capitulated there. Looks like GME stock or something. And then here we have Elon Musk tweeting about pretty much SpaceX. Really nothing crazy. Something about a whistleblower. Not a whole lot going on there. And Tesla stock is split in day 3-1 after the market closes, so probably see a little bit of volatility today and after the market closes. And apparently Korea is going in heavy on Tesla. Let's check this out. Yeah, good for them though. But look at this video. This crazy guy got his car key put in his hand.
Hands, literally, with a chip implanted in your hand at a tattoo and piercing parlor.
You can't lose your hand, so you'll always have a way of getting in your car.
Yeah, this guy, man, he's drinking the Kool-Aid, dude. I wouldn't put nothing in my hand but maybe a ring, dude. And that's on top. But anyway, thought that was crazy, dude. And then we have Tesla up 1.87% today to 905.87. And SPY is up 0.6%. NASDAQ up almost 1%. So Tesla outperforming the market. Nothing too crazy there. Pretty used to it. And then the PE ratios went up a little bit to 111. And then as you can see, Tesla's going up. So that's pretty awesome. And then we got Netflix up 4%. It's a pretty big leader. And then here we have the Google Trends going straight up. As you can see, going up. That's good. Could be reaching soon. And then we have the Fear and Greed, and it's at a 48, which is a little bit higher than a couple days ago. So I do think it's looking pretty good. And then we bounce this 125-day moving average. Here we have the charts. We were looking at this a couple days ago on my last video as a inverse head and shoulders right here, or it could be a cup and handle, and you take it from like here to here and go up, which I'd do it, but I mean we kind of already got it drawn in as an inverse head and shoulders here, and the measured move pointing up to 11 or 1200. I'll show y'all again real quick. About 50% move, and then you take it from here 50%. Oh boy, yeah, it's pointing up to like 1,400 bucks. So I do think we'll see it. Not sure on when we'll see it, but I got some alerts right there, and that'll be a breakout out of this pattern. And then once you get up there, the pattern's actually even bigger. So you take it from here to here, be about 80%. Then we go up 80%. And that's at 2,000. So there's a few ways you can play this one. Or I'm gonna play it anyway. So say you longed right here. First exit would be here. Take a partial exit here, partial exit, partial exit, partial exit. So you divide it into 5 different ways. Anyway, I'm not going to go too deep into that, but I personally don't do that. I just kind of buy the dip and hodl, but there's multiple ways to do it. And then we'll pull up the oscillators here. Shoot, wrong one. Alright. So, split's happening today. And then we got, what is this doing? Dang, dude, my charts are messed up. Hang on a second. Alright, well, not important. I think it was just nothing there. But anyway, check out the monthly. And we have it. Let me take off this too. Checking out the monthly. Really nothing to see. About to get the break the EMA on the RSI and get above 64. So still looking good on the higher time frames. Not oversold. Kind of in the middle range basically. Check out the 3-week. Got the 3-week green dot right here, and almost got the RSI. So when we see that, we should see that move follow through on what we was talking about earlier. And then 2-week, more of the same, looking like follow through. And here we got the weekly running into this band. So I am concerned about this band. As you can see, that's the green and the purple as it comes up, and it almost acts as support resistance to the stocks. So so we can see last time we kind of came up from the bottom and hit it. It was right here, and you can see where it hit the band. It went up a little bit more on the oscillator, but it did kind of have some resistance right there when it hit the line. And then right here, it didn't really count, but as you can see right here, it's really good. So we'll see. Kind of depends on your other time frames too on that kind of stuff, but we'll get there working our way in. And then we got a 5-day golden cross, which is the 21 and 55 day moving average or EMA, I'm sorry. And that is the 55 EMA is the green one. The 21 is the one that turns white to light gray when it goes under it. And they crossed right here. So we can look back in the past, see what it kind of did. Did kind of pull back and then ripped it, pull back. So again, nothing really there. The higher time frame golden cross, death crosses are a little more, have more weight to them. Then we got the 4-day running into the bands, so it's not very good if you're bullish. But the good news is when we get to the lower time frames, it is looking a lot better. And then we got a 2-day golden cross. You can see last time that happened, it did have a little bit of a pullback. And then right here is a good long signal. And then we got a pullback. So usually not good. And then we're also pretty high up on the oscillator right here, but not a big deal. It can get stuck up here for a long time, so not really worried about that. We'll check out the daily. Right here we got the daily. A little bit of hidden bullish divergence from here to here and here to here. So that should pop it up a little bit. Oh, also on the daily, right here at the 200 day, the white moving average, you get above it, it's good. You get below it, it's bad. So yeah, Tesla really hasn't ever really went below it other than right here. As you can see, when it got back above it, it was glory days. So hopefully we're in for some glory days. Then on the 16-hour, looking like it's going to bounce this line as support. So higher time frames, we're looking like we're going to hit it as resistance. Lower time frames looks like we're going to bounce off of it. So usually when you have your lower time frames looking like they want to bounce off the CMA, Usually it pumps it. 12 hour looking a lot like the 16. 10 hour not much happening. Same on the 9, 8. 6 hours looking very juicy. Got a green hour, so should run up pretty free up to this. So we could say maybe 960, 980, and then I have a support line right here at 980. So we'll see where we're at from here. It'd be about a 10.5% gain from here. Get off of there. Alright, 5 hour volatility extremely low with a little bit of divergence right here. Four-hour volatility really low. 2-hour volatility at crazy extremes. So not very good that we're going up on low volatility. When you go up, you want to see the volatility expand and get blue and run up blue and then go into red like right here. That's extreme. So hopefully we'll see her rip up. Hard to say which way it goes, but I do think we pump after the split. And then on the 10-minute, fresh green dot, looks like it's going to try up a little higher. So yeah, maybe we'll see that hit, the move get hit to, oh, hang on. About 1,000. Alright, we'll check out SPY. And SPY on the daily did get a pullback off the 200 day. Looks like it's going to bounce to 2134 just like Tesla already did on the daily. So that'll also be bullish for Tesla. And anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Try to grow this channel, get a good following. And couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe even later today. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Thank you.